Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. I've been flying DJI drones for the last couple of years, but recently I was asked by the Holy Stone Company, which is another big name in drone manufacturers, to review a couple of their products. This is the second one that they asked me to do, and it's so cool. It's an HT02 mini drone. It fits inside the remote. Let's check it out. So let's unbox this. This is the Hollyton HT02 mini drone by Holy Stone. Instructions. Lid. Oh, don't lose the batteries. Oh my God, they're so tiny. Two batteries. Cool. And I think there's a third. Must be already installed in the drone. Oh my God. Okay, so this is the controller here, and the drone is that. That is so cool. That is unbelievable. Let me see how it, oh, it just lifts out. That is so cool. What a clever idea. The storage box is the controller. That's amazing. Okay, so before we, well, we have to have a look at this. This is so cool. So it's got a battery already installed in it, 4 little props, and antenna system sticking out here and there. And that's all there is to it. Oh my God. Can you even see that? It's so tiny. You know, they always show the Mini 2 sitting on somebody's hand. Okay, that's tiny. What else is in the box? Sorry, got distracted. Tape on here. There's some wires, a few extra props. Looks like there's a full set of extra props. And charge cables. Looks like a little mini charger system there. And something to hold your phone. Snaps onto the bottom of the controller there. All right. Let's check it out. So, first of all, it takes 3 AAA batteries in the back. And to get this started, you take your drone. It's this tiny, tiny little connector. Plug that in. It only goes one way. And your drone will start flashing. The lights will start flashing. So you need to turn the controller on and pair it to the drone. Press and hold the on button. It'll be flashing. The throttle button, up once, down once. Lights go solid. You're paired. That's simple. They recommend that you calibrate the gyros every time. In order to do that, I'm just looking at the instructions here, you press the calibrate the gyro button to calibrate the gyro. It will start flashing. They're flashing. And when it's done flashing, it's done. It's too easy. So to take off, you press the takeoff button, which is this one. I'm sorry, I'm just laughing because everything's so incredibly cool and easy. Press it again, it lands. There are prop guards. I'm going to put those on in a second. Okay, this little thing is ridiculously fun. And I'm such a wimp, I put the prop guards on it, which are now actually interfering a bit. It's hilarious. It's fun. It's functional. It's got a camera on it. I didn't know it had a camera on it. This thing's amazing. It actually has a camera on it. There's an app that will you pair with the device over Wi-Fi, and it's unbelievable. Recording function. You can fly entirely from your phone or from the little controller thing. It's really cool. Let me just see if I can get this thing launched. Okay, so when it's flashing, it needs to pair. I need to turn this on, up, down, and it's paired. They recommend you calibrate the gyro every time. All you do is you push button down, flashes, and it goes. And here we go. I don't believe it. Now you can't see where I'm flying. Maybe you can now. But it is so cool and so easy to fly. This thing is fantastic. For the price, I think it's about 40 bucks Canadian. Camera, controller, everything, 3 batteries in the box, extra props. And like I said, it can be done on your phone as well. This is a good deal. I mean, it's not going to give you cinematic, beautiful shots of the Alps, but for a bang for the buck, amazing. I would say don't fly this in any sort of wind because it has no stabilization whatsoever. But let me see if I can get this thing going here. Just a minute. I turn that on. You have to have the other controller off, which it is. Okay, so it's flashing. There we go. It's flashing. I've turned this on. Maybe that means I'm not paired. Yeah, because I'm not paired. Just a minute. Just have to go to my Wi-Fi. Find it on my Wi-Fi connections. Takes a second. It's not showing up yet. Oh, there it is. Bang. Give me a warning that there's no internet when I'm connected to my drone. And there we go. Show you the imaging is incredibly sharp. I mean, that's insane. So I hit the start button, make sure it's away from my face. There it goes. And there's little on-screen thingies. There it is. HT02. Too much fun. I'm not getting anything done this afternoon. This is just too much fun to fly. Ah. And it's got a flip function. If I could get it to... Oh, there it is. Let me see if I can do the flip. Oh, I don't know how to do the flip on the phone. Glad I put those prop guards. By the way, this is in slow mode. I landed. All right. The HT02. I mean, to be honest, they sent this to me for free, but this I would pay serious dollars for this. This is amazing. It's recommended for ages 14 and up. Modularized batteries, so there's 3 batteries, 360-degree flip. I don't know how to do that. There's a whole button for that. 3 speed modes. It's got an altitude hold button, and amazing. Cool. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed flying the drone. Talk to you again soon.